Hi Maker, Mel here. Today I am in the Makesy studio with some very special guests.
I'm Ulises, I'm supervisor of shipping.
And I'm Kevin, I'm the inventory coordinator here at Makesy.
As you guys can see, Kevin and Yuli have beards. So we're going straight to the source today to show you just how simple it is to make your own beard balm at home. When you're getting started, you just need a few different components. As you can see here, we've got 2 pouring pitchers. We have 2 of our black glass jars. We have some fragrance. This is a super awesome fragrance. Can you guys guess what the scent is?
Oh, that's super sweet.
Is that honey bourbon?
It's honey bourbon. Amazing. So nice masculine honey bourbon scent, all you bourbon fans out there. To get started, safety first. As you can see, we got some goggles on our heads. Let's get making. Makesy time. So we're gonna go ahead and then take our Sure Clear Oil Gellant. And Yuli, you can just open that bottle up, pour it into your pitcher. Super easy. I've got some honey bourbon on my hands. It smells so good.
So I'm just gonna open. Pour it back here.
Yep, so try and get as much out as you can. It's jelly, so some of it might stick to the inside of the bottle. You just give it a nice little tap and it'll come out.
Perfect.
Great, and so once you've got that in your first pitcher, we are going to use our handy dandy stick blender. The goggles are really important for the stick blender so that you just avoid any splashes. Splashes can happen no matter how careful you're being. So you're gonna go ahead and take that stick blender. Have you ever operated a stick blender before?
No, but there's always a first time, so
Amazing.
this is it.
Yep, so just gently start depressing that button and you're just gonna move it in a circular motion until it turns into a white milky consistency. So you might need to kind of swish it around a little bit. Amazing. And so while Yuli's doing that, my friend Kevin over here, you're gonna throw this pitcher into the microwave and melt the aloe butter until it's fully melted. So now that our aloe vera butter is melted, go ahead Kev, we're gonna go grab that. Yuli, we've got our consistency that we want for our gellant here. It's gonna make that nice creamy jelly texture. And what we're going to do is, Yuli, we have one more step here. We've got our rich body oil, our rich body and face oil base. This is super, super luxurious and super nourishing for your skin. It's got a few different oils in it that are just really, really beneficial for your skin to moisturize and condition and for your hair. Nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this in slowly while you're still blending and it's going to emulsify really nicely. So you can go ahead. I'm just going to keep working it around so it's fully combined. The goal here is to really get them like perfectly fused together. So now we got emulsification happening over here. So we've combined our oil, which is going to be the nourishing component, with our gellant base, and that makes it emulsified together into a solid. And now we've got our melted aloe vera butter here, Kev. We want to go ahead and add our honey bourbon fragrance into the aloe butter here. And then we're going to combine the two. Sound easy enough?
Yep. And it is fun too.
You're doing a great job. So that looks pretty good. I think we're good with the emulsification. And you got your fragrance in there. I'm going to give that a twirl, Kev. And then I'll have you pass that to me, and then Yuli will mix that in there, and then we'll mix the two together, and you've got your beard balm. Perfect. Super simple. Awesome. Yuli, pour that guy in here, and then I'll go ahead and give this a twirl. As you're twirling, you'll see that these start to combine and they start to set into this really nice consistency. The beard balm won't be ready for approximately 6 or 7 hours. It needs to set up a little bit and cool down so that it can fully combine. But as you can see here, we've got our balmy base here. And once it cools, it'll be a nice jelly texture. So now that our beard balm is ready, we are going to go ahead and pour it into our black glass jars. One for you, Kev, one for you, Yuli.
Thank you.
And you guys can take turns, Kev. I know Yuli's been doing number 1 thing, so you can do the first honors with this one. And it's totally okay if it's a little bit runny right now. It's going to set up into a jelly texture, so it will set up in about a few hours, but you won't want to use it right away. So Yui, go ahead
Thank you.
and pour yours in. And then we have a finished one here that we'll go ahead and try out.
Perfect.
Amazing.
It also smells really good.
How easy was that?
Very.
Well, let's go try it out. You guys can take your goggles off now since there's no more splatter action happening. And just take a little bit on your finger and apply it generously to your beard and mustache area. It's really good for a variety of things, and it's great because it acts as a natural cologne and it does the double duty of being a cleanser. So when you guys get home tonight, if you wash your face or just splash some water on your face or you take a shower, basically when you're showering, it will start to kind of emulsify and kind of foam up a little bit, and it will cleanse your skin and your beard at the same time.
It's very smooth.
Very smooth. You guys like the
I
smell?
love the smell. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels really good.
It's really cool too because you can customize it too for whatever fragrance you want.
Sick.
I'm taking this home.
Well, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. We will put the link to the project ingredients below so you guys can make this at home super easy. And be sure to stay tuned for more super fun videos from Makesy. Do you guys know what our sign off is?
Let's make it in.
This makes it happen.
Go make it happen.